name is Lemhaus, and I'm in business development at Allied Buildings. Being an Allied team member, I guess a lot of different places use team or teamwork. Being an Allied team is not necessarily about all rowing in the same direction, like you would say. It would be more like a well-coordinated orchestra of many different intelligent, dynamic people doing different things, but when they all come together, they really create something special. So it's more than a team to me. It's something even greater than that. Allied differs from the industry, I think, not only in the steel industry, but also in other industries I've been a part of, is that it's really a client-focused organization. And again, that's also overused, that everybody wants to be client-focused. But in our meetings, it's not about margins. It's not about this. It's how do we build something to take care of the customer, and really we push everything we do is built around the customer. Allied is built on the customer, not about doing things the way we do them and then trying to bring a product to the market. We do what we do based on what the customer requests of us, and that's always our primary focus. Undeterred solutionist. So many times that people just say, you know, they throw up their hands and give up. In all my time at Allied, I've never heard anyone say we can't do that. It's always let's find a way. Let's find a way to make it better. If it's, you know, manufacturing things that nobody else said could be done, if it's, you know, flying truck drivers on helicopters because a truck broke down, we just don't give up. There's no can't. We're always going to find a way to make it happen.